Okay. So, hi all, myself Jayant. I'll be your ETL testing trainer. So before we start, let's give 5 more minutes to people who are joining, and let me know if you have any question like regarding this course, and then we'll start with the explanation how what is ETL testing, how the scope will be there for ETL testing, how it will be easy for you to get job based on the ETL testing, everything. Okay. So if you have any question, you can start for 2-3 minutes only. We'll discuss, and then end of the session we'll have again the question and answer session. Okay. So yeah,
Yeah,
guys. Hmm.
yeah. Hi, Jay. So my name is Shravan. So I have one doubt. I mean, it is not my intention. Some people are suggesting me that if you learn ETL test, it is waste of time. And they are saying that nowadays developers only doing the testing that only. So
Developers they can't do testing, correct. So testing need a separate effort. Okay.
okay,
Uh, like starting one or two company they have started with the development only. They will ask for testing. Then it
okay,
will be of no use only. They drop the many companies. They drop the idea of the development team will they do the testing, because the thing is that development they will not have testing skills. Correct. Like
yes,
they know like they technically they will be good, but
okay,
testing needs patience. Okay, so
yes, yes.
validate all these things. So
Mhm.
that is not the scenario in the current situation. I'm also in IT companies from past 11 years.
Okay.
I saw like 3 years back they started this one, but it was not successful. So now we are not
Oh,
that one.
okay.
Correct.
For example, I can say I am working in a Cognizant. So I am
Mm.
working for one project. It is sub. So in my project, I am only doing the testing. So after completing the testing, we have three types of testing, like UAT and the parallel one and parallel two. In that time, so we only support the testing. So that is the reason I'm saying.
I told you, no, like few of the
Yeah.
projects they do like that. So developer also do the one round of testing that is called unit testing.
Yeah.
Then once you will be develop the code and then you will deploy to the test environment. Different testers, testing team will be there. So
Okay.
they will be doing the testing.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
So the testing approach is different. It's not like development. They can't do it only. But they will say that I came here for the development activity. Why
Okay.
you assign me the testing activity? If you will be working as a development, you will not take testing things. If I'll
Mhm.
be working as a tester and if they will assign me the development things, then also I'll be not like take
Okay.
that,
Okay.
because development will have lots of pressure will be there. They have lots of meeting and all so many works they will have.
Mhm.
उटीचा पगार वाढला काय?
Guys, go on mute if you're not talking. Yeah, guys. Anyone
Yeah,
else? Yeah.
yeah, myself Neha Kulkarni. So
Yeah.
is it necessary it we have to know the knowledge of testing or we can directly start the ETL testing also?
So, like we'll start the testing classes directly. There is no problem. But the thing is that ETL testing is not just a second. Yeah. Okay. Maybe
Hello.
Satvinder Singh, your video is on. Can you turn it off? Guys,
Hello.
these are the things. Please take care. Okay. We don't
Hello.
want video session here. Yeah. Tell me.
Sir, I'm Ranjit.
Can you speak loud?
Hello, my name is Ranjit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Basically, I'm from non-IT background
Hmm.
from past 3 years.
Okay. Non-technical background. Okay.
Non-technical background. Now, can
Hmm.
you give from non-IT to IT?
Yeah. Non-IT to IT. That we'll discuss. So, what is your education background?
Mechanical, B in mechanical.
Yeah, yeah, perfect. People are
But
being,
year gap is there.
yeah, yeah, that will be filled by the experience document. No worries. We have separate team for that. They will take care of that. So until unless you will not get job, whether you have passed in 2010, 2005, no matter.
Okay.
Okay. So we'll
Okay.
we'll we'll talk about that one. Okay.
Okay. When will you talk, sir?
We'll talk today only. In today's session, we'll talk about that. Okay.
Okay.
Hi, Jason. This is Mahesh.
Yeah, Mahesh, tell me.
Is that fine for diploma candidates? after 10 plus 3.
Yeah, which year pass out?
In 2011, but I have experience in different field.
What are the field you have?
The geographical information systems, like navigation and geocoding.
GIS basically.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, fine. We can get it for the diploma holder also, and we have to go for the like experience document we have to show, and then we'll get it.
Okay.
Hello, Jayant.
Thank you.
Hello.
Yeah. Well,
Myself Mayuresh. Actually, I have a different query. I have passed out 2010.
hmm. Yeah, go ahead. Tell me. Sorry, I muted. Noise was coming.
I will go in a quiet place,
Yeah.
isolated place. I
Yes.
will work in non-IT field like power plants. Then I have worked in medical transcription, government back office project. Then last 6 months I was working for AGs.
Yes.
So I got to know about the ETL testing from your post only, and somehow I'm feeling confident that I'm if I join this I'll be able to, like, I will be good in this.
Okay. Yeah, definitely. We'll discuss all about that. No worries in that. How it will be beneficial for you. We'll discuss all about the point to this one, and then in end of the session, like last 15 minutes, we'll keep for the question and answer, and hopefully I'll be answering your all question. Whatever the things I'm going to explain, everything I'm going to explain here only. So no worries in that. And how ETL testing will be useful, everything I'll be explaining you. So no worries in that, okay?
Okay.
So is it necessary DML, DDML, these definitions and all the queries language we have to understand?
Definitely, you have to SQL part. We know we supposed to know the basic thing. You have to learn the all the basic of SQL. Okay, Satwinder,
Okay.
can you turn
So
it on?
we have to learn, or in this class we are going to be covered.
In this class, 100% syllabus will be covered for ETL testing. Until unless you will not get job, will be behind you. Okay, so there.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Hi,
no
dear
worries.
Satwinder. Hi, dear Satwinder. Good
Yes,
evening, sir.
Satwinder.
कैसे हैं? Yeah, fine.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Actually, I did MCA in 2004. 2004, I completed my MCA 2004. And I have some experience on my BI related and IT executive. And since last 7 years onwards, so I'm working on another field. So is it possible for me to get job as a ETL tester?
Yeah, definitely. How many years you worked as a BI and other things?
2 years I'm a BI developer, sir. MSBI.
Okay.
2 years.
Total IT experience you have?
No, sir, total IT 2 years, and as a IT executive 10 years.
Okay,
IT executive 10 years. Yeah.
Yeah. That we'll discuss. What is the designation for the IT executive?
Sorry?
The 10 years where you worked, what is the designation they gave?
Senior IT executive. Senior IT executive.
Okay. Senior IT executive. That will be valid. No worries in that.
Okay.
Guys, one request when we'll be discussing, just be on mute. Don't turn it off your, like mic. When you want to speak, that time only you can turn it off. Okay, so I'm not making unmute again and again. It will take more time only if you'll disturb the class. Okay, so just unmute.
Sir,
Then
just one question I have from my side.
yes.
Because I have done my electrical engineering, so I'm aware of the syllabus and everything. And what what I have observed is that the syllabus is pretty vast in C language, and many things are there. Okay, so for ETL testing, what all things I need to be aware of, so that I some prerequisites which I should brush up or should
See, ETL
know.
testing, what are the things you need, no? We are going to discuss full 100% syllabus. Based on my student, what they are getting job and all. So they are saying that they are able to answer 100% question, and whatever the interviewer will ask, that is coming from our notes only. Okay, so that we'll discuss. Just give me some time, and let me explain the full process of things for 15-20 minutes, and then end of 15 minutes we'll give you the time to ask your question. Maybe I'll be explaining you full process. So let me start the discussion, and then we'll discuss after the full what are the things we are going to discuss here. After that, we'll get the time to ask your question. You can ask your question that time, and then we'll answer those questions. Okay.
Cool, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So guys, just hold your questions. We'll discuss what is ETL testing and how we are going to benefit it from the ETL testing, and then we'll come back to the question and answer. Okay. So let me start. Okay, so many of you people have discussed with me. Okay, you like if you are in WhatsApp group, then I have posted into the WhatsApp group that I'm your trainer, and let me introduce myself so that you will be familiar with me, and you will be able to communicate nicely to me. Okay, so myself Jayant Kumar, full name is Jayant Kumar, and short name you can say Jay. People are calling Jay. Okay, my student and all are calling Jay. So you can call me Jay or Jay sir, whatever. I have total 11 years of experience. I worked so many different companies in this 11 years of experience, like IBM, Deloitte, and then NetApp, and then Dell Technologies. All these places I have worked, and I have total 11 years of experience. So I have worked on mostly on the ETL testing project only in this 11 years. Okay, currently I'm working with one of the ETL testing project, which is like banking domain project. So based on my 11 years of experience, I have drafted all the document what we have for ETL testing, and the question like I have attended more than 200 interviews in my 11 years of experience, and based on that only I have drafted all document, and most of like 99-100% question will come from this syllabus only, what we have, what is there. So okay, so you don't have to worry on that. Based on my experience, only we have. I am here. It's not like we have worked on something else and then we are going to teach you ETL testing. So what I worked on ETL testing, that only I'm going to take the session. Okay. So let's come to the second topic. I'll make it little faster because all these are all not related to the subject for the ETL testing, but you should know little bit what is ETL testing and how the ETL testing, what are the syllabus will be there. Everything we'll discuss so that we'll able to cover everything in 20 to 30 minutes. Everything. Okay. So many people you will come to know, like you have to join the session, and I hope maybe 20-30 people, 20-30% people only they will be knowing that. Okay, what is ETL testing and what exactly you are going to do? Little bit idea. Some people will have idea, but I can bet like most of the people you will be not knowing that what is ETL testing. So what I mean to say that the ETL testing is nothing but software testing only. Okay, so it's a software testing only, and previously it was coming manual testing. Manual testing you have, automation testing you have, performance testing you have. Similarly, it's the ETL testing only. This is also ETL testing. So what we are going to do as a part of ETL testing, this is also called as Informatica testing, your like data warehouse testing, ETL testing, everything. Okay, so in this only it will be there. So basic will be manual testing only for ETL testing. The base will be manual testing only. Whatever the manual testing approach is there, that only will be there, but it will be little bit technical. Okay, manual testing you don't have technical things, but in ETL testing you have to like you should know the SQL part, and then you will be using ETL tool to load the data from one layer to another layer. So those are the things are there. So it's more technical. Okay, more technical on ETL testing. It's not manual, but it's easy. Okay, but it's easy, it's doable. And like I'll give you one scenario, like how ETL testing will work in a real-time scenario. No, so if you'll consider, ETL testing, okay, So the ETL testing will come into all the like domains, like retail domain will have the ETL testing, banking domain will have the ETL testing, insurance domain, all the places. Okay, so the ETL testing will be there. So if you will take one example of how ETL testing will work, consider that we are having the banking domain project. Okay, so how it will be, consider you have account in HDFC Bank. Okay, you have account in HDFC Bank, and HDFC Bank is well-known bank in India. Okay, so HDFC Bank is very well-known bank in India, and it will have millions of customer. Okay, millions of customer it will have HDFC Bank. So when you go to bank, you do deposit the amount. You will withdraw the money. You will go ATM and you will withdraw the money. You will do credit card swiping. You will purchase online things. Okay, so when you are doing, these are the activity, you are generating data. Okay, you are generating many data. You are generating more and more data. Consider that every day, if 1 million customer from HDFC Bank, they do transaction, whether it's a credit card transaction or banking transaction or ATM transaction or loan transaction. So they are generating 1 million of record. Okay, 1 million of record. So this record, no, it should store in somewhere in a like target database. Somewhere it should be stored. Whatever the 1 million record are there, 1 million record are there, 1 million record are there. That should be stored in a somewhere in a database for the history purpose. So that after 5 years, if you want your transaction, okay, month of November, how much transaction I have done, you can ask your bank. So bank from where they will get. So what they will do, they will go and they will take it from their database. Okay, from their database, they will take your November month transaction and they will share with you. So how it will be processed? It will process from the when you will do transaction, the data will be stored in your source system. Okay, data will be stored in your source system, and then from multiple layers. Okay, from multiple layers, it will process. It will be corrected and it will be processed to your target database. Target database where your database will be stored final. Okay, finally it will be stored for the long life. Okay, it will be like 10 years, 20 years, 30 years also data will be available. Consider that 20 years, 30 years data will be available here. So what we have to do as a part of ETL tester, no, when your data came from the source, and then it will pass through the different layer, staging layer or XYZ layer, you can say that X layer, and then X layer, and then it will pass to the Y layer. Okay, so we have to validate whatever the data will come from here, 1 million record daily or 1 billion record full process. So we have to validate that, validate that whatever the data is processing, whether it's a proper or not, and it is loading into the target database, no, for the future perspective, it is having the proper data is getting loaded or not. Is there any impurities? Is there or data is not valid? Those are the things we are going to test in the different layers. So that is the job of ETL testing. So how will we validate? We are going to load the this layer to this layer to this layer using Informatica tool, using ETL tool, Informatica tool, and we'll validate using the database. Database means in the sense you will have a database will be a different Oracle database, or you will have a Teradata, you will have something Microsoft SQL, you will have Postgres SQL, you will have Netija, so many other database languages there. The database, many companies they are having own database. Okay, so based on that only it will be compared. Your data will be compared from here to here, and you will make sure that whatever the data is going to be loaded to the target database, it is valid and there is no problem in that one. So these are the things are there. We are going to learn as part of ETL testing, how we are going to validate data and how it will be useful for the business, for the company, to store this data, whether it's a banking domain data or the insurance domain data or the retail domain data, whatever domain data they want to store in the final, they can store it. Okay. So this is the ETL testing. We came to know that what is ETL testing. Okay. So second point, just hold your question. We'll give you time to ask your question. If you want, you can note it down your full question, and then we'll discuss more about that. Okay. why we need ETL testing. So second point, third point is that why we need ETL testing. Okay, why we need ETL testing. Okay, so we have a manual testing is there, we have automation testing is there. Then why we need ETL testing only? Because ETL testing is easy to learn. Okay, it's easy to learn, easy to crack the interview, and easy to survive in the industry as a part of ETL testing. No, it's all easy. Okay, so when you'll discuss about the manual testing, so manual testing, if you learn also, you will have very less openings, less opening in manual testing. Okay, less opening in manual testing. If you'll go for the automation, no, automation, so what will happen? You will learn Java. Okay, Java is like ocean. Then Selenium you will learn. So it will take approximately four month minimum. Okay, and then Java is very vast language. You ask anyone who is working in Java, it's not cup of tea. Okay, it's not cup of tea that you just read it and then you got it. You should be very thorough because it's old language, and they will ask you complex question in this one. Okay, so it's very time consuming, and surviving also it will be difficult because you have to do coding and all, Java based coding and all. It will be not so easy to do that. But no worries, automation is good, I'm not denying that. Manual also easy, I'm not denying it. But manual testing is having drawback is what? Less openings. Okay, if you'll go for any cloud part and all, so cloud they need certification and all. Okay, so that again it will take 3 months to learn. Then for certification, if you'll have certification and all, then only you will get the job. So there also so many complexity will be there. But ETL testing, no, it's a SQL based technology. Guys, it's just a request, be on mute if you're not talking. Okay. Okay, so the ETL testing is based on your SQL only. So SQL, if you'll ask anyone who is working on SQL, no, SQL is very easy, not development level, but testing level or basic level. SQL is very easy to learn. Okay, and when you learn ETL testing, it will be very easy to learn because it will be depend on SQL only. So how much good you will be in SQL, that much added advantage on ETL testing. Okay, so SQL is good, and you need all ETL tool like Informatica and all basic information on that. Okay, that I'm going to teach, everything I'm going to teach. Okay, so these are the things are there what will make ETL testing easy. Okay, easy means easy to learn. Okay, easy to survive in industry, easy to crack interviews. Okay, some set of like they'll have the equal set of question, and from there only they will ask the whatever the syllabus I have prepared. From there only, from here only they will ask you full full is ETL testing questions. So, okay, so based on the student what they told, what they tell, same thing I'm telling. Okay, so I have also gave many more interviews. So here, from here only they will ask you the things. Okay, scope of ETL testing is very good. As like it's old only 5-7 years, 10 years back, ETL testing came into picture, and then each and every company they go for the ETL testing because when you talk about any company, they deal with the customer data. Okay, business data. So they have to store somewhere. Okay, whatever the data they will be working with the customer centric and all. So they have to store somewhere those data for the future perspective and to generate the report to see the progress, how their business doing in particular region. If we have India, if we have Reliance Press, consider that we have Big Bazaar company in India. So in India, consider that they will have 100 branches will be there in all over India. So what will happen in 100 branches? So they will see that okay, Karnataka is having 10 branches. So how 10 branches Karnataka our business is doing in Karnataka? How Tamil Nadu is doing? How Hyderabad is doing? How Maharashtra is doing? So based on that only, based on the business data, what they will store into the final layer, based on that only they will, like they based on those data only they will take the decision whether which branch is doing good, is there any requirement for new branches in nearby places. All these things they will take based on that whatever the data they will generate. business report they will generate. They will see the yearly how their business is doing in that area. So those are the things are there. So scope of ETL testing is very good because each and every company they need ETL tester, ETL testing approach. Okay, they need to save their data, and to when they will save their data, they need ETL tester to validate those data. Okay, and nowadays many of the company they have started to move their data from database to the cloud also. Okay, so now little bit cloud scope is also coming, so they are paying very nice like a package and all. So it will be added advantage if you learn this one. They will train you in a cloud also when you'll go in company. Everything is very nice. Like 1 year back we don't have cloud picture in this, but now from past 3-4 months they are adding cloud also here. So they are paying a lot, and there will be lots of opening, huge openings will be there in this. Next point, I say keep saying that how the 100% job guarantee is there. So it's definitely each and every person, each and every one of you are capable of getting the job in this ETL testing. Each one of you will get you will get the job. Okay, 100% you will get the job, but we have to put 100% effort. Whatever the syllabus I'll give you, no, you have to learn the things properly, and you have to give the mock. In mock, I'll tell you that whatever the lagging behind area is there, you have to improve that. And when you will be perfect 100% effort, if you'll give honestly, it's not like you're just reading. Honestly, you should be capable of answer my questions in mock interviews and all. So that time, if you'll give 100% effort, honestly, 100% job you will get. Everyone, okay, whether you pass in 2005 or you pass in 2010 or you passed in 2015, everyone will get job. Okay, so
Sir, so is the aggregate and these things come into picture because
we'll
60%,
discuss that. We'll discuss that. We'll just
because
give
my
you 10 minutes.
aggregate is not 60%, but I have worked in.
No, aggregate will not come in picture. When we are going for the experience document, aggregate of percentage is not required. Okay.
Okay, so thank you.
We'll explain you that. Okay, just I'll give you time to ask your question. That time you ask. Let me complete it because it will take more time to complete it. If we'll not complete, then again we have to conduct another sessions. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is what we have. 1.5 a month, and then the full course durations will be 1.5 month. Okay, means like 6 to 7 weeks of time. 6 to 7 weeks of time. It's not like 3 months or 4 months. 6 to 7 weeks of time. Okay. If you'll give 100% effort, 100% effort, definitely 100% you will get the job. 100% you will get the job. Okay. And coming back to the class recording as well, daily class notes. This is particularly 100% online classes. This class is completely 100% online classes, and after completion of the course, okay, after completion of the course, I'll be recording each and every class recordings, and I'll be sharing you through the Google Drive. Okay, so if you'll see, my Google Drive is having more space, so I'll be sharing you the Google Drive through the Google Drive, all the notes whatever we are having. So how I'll be sharing, if I'll be first Oracle SQL, I'll be taking the classes. So it will, in this 12-13 sessions will be there. So 12-13 sessions, I'll be providing you full, recording of this session, as well as these are the sessions will be each and every class recording will be, I'm going to record each and every session, and then class document also will be shared to Google Drive for your practice purpose. Okay, for your practice purpose, I'll be sharing you full class document also. Okay, so whatever the class we are going to learn, SQL or whatever it may be, I'll be sharing you the including your theory part as well as your queries part also. I'll be sharing you for your practice purpose, and we'll be taking the doubt clearance sessions, your practice session, everything we are going to take in this tutorial apart from the regular classes. Okay, if anyone you will be struggling, then we'll help you to get it your things, you understand the things properly, and then we'll make sure that you will have proper knowledge on that. If you think if you see my document, so the way I prepared each and everything is like in a detailed level. Okay, I know what the question they will ask you, and what is required to make you survive in a company for any of the project if you will be deployed. It's a complete knowledge transfer session from ETL testing. Whatever the knowledge I have, I'll be transferring you. I'll be explaining you real-time project, everything. Okay. So these are the full topics I'll be covering, and then we are going for the queries also. I'll be giving you the queries also. There are, if you see, one things I'm keeping 10 10 20 20 10 10 12 queries I'm keeping for the practice purpose. Everything, it's very perfectly get documented. I have documented very nicely all these things for your benefit only. Okay, so this is what we are going to do here. Okay, so class recording and things will be shared here, everything. After finishing of the class, each class will be uploading into the Google Drive and will give you the access for that. Okay, once you will finish the full course, once we'll finish the full course, then we'll go for the mock interviews. Okay, we'll go for the mock interviews. Once you complete SQL, that time we'll take the mock. Okay, then once you'll complete the full syllabus, we'll take the mock. And if any lagging behind area will be there, that how to tell about yourself in interviews, what to tell technical like roles and responsibility into interview, your project explanation, how you're going to explain your project, everything. I'll be preparing you in perfect manner so that you will be able to crack the interviews. Okay. So mock interviews, you have to make it, you have to utilize this, and you have to make yourself 100% perfect. Okay. So this is weekend batch. Okay, this is weekend batch. This is not weekdays batch. This is weekend batch, and the classes will be on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, evening at 7:30 to 9. Okay, 9 p.m.
Jay sir, one more question.
Yeah,
Sorry to interrupt.
okay.
The job openings would be work from home or work from office?
That is not in our hand. What is your name?
Mayuresh.
Okay, so that is not in our hand. So if you'll get work from, till now, so people are doing work from home only. Some of the places they are calling few people for few days office, but
No, but
everyone
what
is.
is the nature of job? For example, if I'm doing a medical transcription work, or for example, I was working with AGs as a customer service and I was working from home, and there is absolute no problem in productivity and things like that. So in this case, so if I am trained in a certain project, real-time project, so what would be the
See, that's what I'm saying, that whether you work or you get the work from home or work from office, it totally depends on the your company. Okay, company how they give, whether they call office or they will tell that permanently you can work from home only. So it's not in our hand. It will get the company only will decide on that one. Okay.
Okay, so cool.
Yeah. So I have explained you what is the difference between manual testing, automation testing, and ETL testing. Okay, so manual testing will be easy, but like very less openings are there, very less. Automation will be very complex. Okay, and surviving will be a challenge if you are not good in coding. But ETL testing, it's a skill-based technology, so it will be easy to learn it, easy to crack the interview, easy to survive in industry. Okay, so coming back to the gap, many people you have asked, like, if you have a gap, then how we are going to like get the job. So gap people, whether you pass out in 2005 or 2000 or 2010 2015, no worries. We'll go for the some of the experience, 5 years 6 years will show, and then based on that you will get the job. Okay, based on that you will get the job. The experience document and all, we have different teams are there. So we have set up everything. They will provide you all these things. Okay. Vishal will take care of those things. Means like not in the, he'll be not providing. He'll be helping you to where to get it. We'll show you the path, and you will get the best whatever the document we need. Okay. And everything till your job, all facilities will be provided. We know how, like, what to do to get you a job. and what type of things will be needed to so that your everything will go in a proper way. Okay, so let me just stop my recording, pause my recording, so that I can explain you the gap part properly. Okay. So whoever is looking for the faster preparation, they can go for the this fast track, this one also, preparation also. I'll be providing the access for the recording and the document from previous class, and you will be able to prepare in 15 to 18 days only, full syllabus. And you will be eligible to attend the regular classes also. It's not like you will be not attending the regular classes, but if you are in hurry, you need a job very soon, then you can go for the previous classes recording, and you will prepare that one. It's the same zero editing class recording. How I'm taking class now, no? Same class recording it will be. Okay, it will be not like edited classes. How the my teaching will be there. How I'll be motivating in each classes. Those also will be recorded. If any doubt will be asked from a student, those are the things. Everything will be there in that one. So if you want to prepare faster, if you are free, you can ask me. I'll give you the access for the recording session, and then you can go for it and you can prepare the same thing. Okay, so this is what. Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, Jane, you are giving Unix also, Unix basics also. This
Unix
testing.
basic, yeah, Unix basics also there, but I'll be not taking any classes on this because they don't ask much. Like 95% company, they don't ask Unix command question. You can refer it. It's all very basic. Okay.
Very basic. Okay. So you are, I mean, in this session, so you are going to provide SQL videos, or you are giving training for that also as part of this session?
I'll be providing the training. Regular classes will be there each and every day, like weekdays, weekly 3 days. And if you want to prepare faster, we'll be providing you the previous class recording as well. If you don't want to prepare faster, you can attend the regular class session only. Both the things are there. Okay. This is whatever the recording I'm providing, this is to support you. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to prepare faster, I'll provide you. If you don't want to prepare faster, then attend regular classes.
Okay.
But
And
you
one
will
more
be
small
eligible
note.
for both.
Yeah, understood. One more small note. Actually, I'm working as an Informatica developer, but my thing is like, if we're going for a testing, so we may face so many challenges as like a developer. I mean, I'm asking you. In testing environment, we don't have that much challenges, right?
No,
We
no,
get,
that's
yeah,
what development, you know that how much pain will
yes,
be
yes,
there as a developer. So
yeah,
developing things and all pressures will be there always. You have to attend many meetings.
meetings.
You have the lots of pressures will be there for the management, but testing is like very easy. If you'll ask someone ask manual testing, no, if you ask like how much they will not have much pressure. Testing activity is very easy. If you'll per day, if you'll sit for 1 hour 2 hour every day, no, your work will be done in ETL testing.
I am Jaya. I am working as a manual tester also and automation tester.
Sorry. Yeah, tell me.
I want to ask for ETL, is there any certificates?
We don't provide certificate in ETL testing. We don't need ETL testing certificate. It's not cloud technology. We are not going for the certificate. I'll teach you completely what information, what knowledge I have, everything. Okay. And then based on that, you can search in the market. We are not providing any certificates.
What market we search for job? Is there abroad jobs?
Which country you are in?
I am from Egypt.
Egypt. Okay. So IT market only you have to search. You may have the software companies in Egypt. So there only you have to search. You have to prepare your resume, and then you have to search. I don't know how your experience will work there. But here, whatever it's in a scenario in India is there, I am familiar with that. But many people, many of my students are there from Canada or the USA, UK. So they learn it and they will keep 2 years, 3 years, 5 years of experience in ETL testing, and they will search. Okay, so you don't have to show the experience, I guess. Correct.
Yes, but I just want to ask if searching for job abroad in as you said, Canada, US, UK, is it possible?
So you have to figure it out how, after learning the course, how you're going to get job in Egypt. I no idea. In India, we have a portal like LinkedIn, Naukri.com, and all these things are there, where after training they will prepare their resume and they will upload into that Naukri and LinkedIn. They will get many calls from the companies and they will join as a ETL tester. But you have to figure it out what is the best job providing portal in Egypt, and then you have to search there. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So we will get any project where we can actually implement this ETL testing.
See, our target is to get the job in ETL testing. Okay. So implementations will be not there, but definitely I'm going to teach you the what you have to tell as part of project. We have many more projects are there. So I'll be teaching you what you are going to tell in the I'll be explaining you real time scenario how the project will work in ETL testing when it's like data is loading from the source as a database, or when we'll have data will come as a flat file. All these things, project explanation, real-time project explanations will be there. Same thing you are going to tell in interview, in front of interviewer. Okay.
So, and what is the minimum LPA we can expect? Minimum?
See, minimum LPA in the sense 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. If you go, you can consider in between 10 to 14.
Okay.
Yeah.
So previous batch Python was completed.
Python was not completed previous batch.
At least we have recording sessions. Anything?
No, Python I have not yet started. This batch only I am planning to implement Python basic only. Very, very basic. Okay, just to increase the value for the resume. That's all. You know the extra skill to show that I'm just planning to take 1 or 2 sessions on Python. Okay. That will be extra session, not in the ETL. Major will be ETL testing only. Major will be ETL testing only, will not go in a Python or anything else more, because it will be very complex if you'll go there in Python and all. Okay. So ETL testing using SQL, we are going to learn here, and we are going to get job in ETL testing using SQL only, Informatica tool only. Python will be extra one line added into the your resume. That's all.
And sir, actually, nowadays recession is coming. Some matter
Yeah.
regarding this recession.
Recession will be always, see, from past 5-6 years, we hear that recession is coming, but no doubt people are, many people, many companies, they are removing layoff the people. But you tell me one thing, okay? So in India, 50 lakhs IT employees are there. Okay. Each and every company, their businesses are there in all over world, and they need IT support. Okay. So they are not going to shut down their businesses, correct? They can hold for 3 months, 4 months, but they will not shut down their business, correct? Means if one store, if you will take one store, Big Bazaar, maybe because of recession, only half of the people are going to for the shopping, or COVID only you take it. 2 years, many companies was shut down, but they have not closed. No, now they have opened it and they are running fine, correct? So 2-3 months, 4 months, it will be a problem. How many days they will hold, because they need their business to go for the IT things, whatever it's the development activity or it's a testing activity, everything is there. So they have to open it only. And now the openings are coming. Capgemini is having lots of openings are there. So 3 students from my this thing, they got job in Capgemini itself only, one company only. And other company, because ETL testing based on the business data. Okay, the data will be generated. They will need people to validate those things, so they cannot hold ETL testing openings freeze for many days. It's already 2-3 months over. We were having less calls, but now it will start, and January it will start definitely.
And sir, actually, I work for 3 companies, not IT companies. I have UIN number and PF also.
That will be taken care. No worries in that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And Jayant, within 3 months we can get job, right?
Within 1.5 months, you will be completing the course. The moment you will give me the mock and you will be prepared, we'll upload the resume. If you are very good, you will be able to crack in first interview only. Okay. So people are whatever who is giving real time like full effort, they are getting in first attempt only they are getting selected. Okay, not when the second interview you will get selected. But people BA people, business, bachelors in arts people, they are also getting many calls. Then if you are engineering student or MCA, BCA, BCom, computers, all these people, why can't you get the job? But you have to prepare such a way that one interview also I'll be capable of cracking the interviews. Okay.
Sir, if there is a gap in education, hello,
Sorry?
sir.
Yeah.
If there is a gap in education,
Yeah.
you did not tell that.
If you have gap in education, see the thing is that I'll explain you, Dinesh. Okay, wait. So the thing is that one lady came and then she was 1997 pass out BCom computers. 1997. How many years back? It was approximately 15 years, more than
More than
25 years.
25 years.
So she joined and she was afraid that okay, she was having no income and nothing was there. So she was having two elder kids were there. So she told Jen sir, can you please help me to get the job? I told, see, you have the more gap. 97 is a very big gap. I'll not take 100% guarantee, but if you learn the things, okay, we'll go for 5 years. And if your luck is good, you will get definitely. Okay. So 5 years experience is shown and she got a package less only 7 lakhs per annum package she got, but she got the job after completion of, but she put really nice effort. I like she was best. So if you'll put effort, no one will hold your hand to get you a job. Definitely.
It is enough to refer your documents alone, not YouTube or Google.
Enough. This is full based on my 11
Sir,
years of
what about the personality and grooming part of the candidate?
So that will take when I'll take the interview papers and session.
No, because my case I'm 35, but if somebody sees me, he will feel that I'm a teenager or 20s guy.
Why they will feel that you are teenage when you are 35 years old? That is not the problem, no. See, in IT, no, people are working at age of 50, 60 plus also. We have 20 plus years age also. We have 30 years, 40 years, 50 years also. It doesn't mean that 5 years. That's what I'm saying. 97 pass out. Recently, we got who was 2006 pass out. Okay, so she got 3 offer letter. She got 3 offer letter. 2006 pass out student. Okay, if you'll put effort,
okay, I am ready to put 100% effort,
yeah,
more than 100%.
Yeah. See, better.
This is my last chance. Actually, I have like given
And
a
this is your
of
last chance,
interview.
and definitely you will get the job. This is not difficult. This is not rocket science. This is all easy. Jobs are there. You have to just put effort and then you have to get. I'll be showing you the path, how to get and all these things. Okay. The main driver will be you only.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Hi, this is Varun from Bangalore. Actually,
Yeah.
what is the scope of freshers in this ETL testing?
Freshers.
Yeah, for freshers.
See, freshers, the thing is that you can learn Java, you can learn automation and all. That will take you 5 months, 6 month time to learn. Correct. This you can learn in 1 month time, and you can show that okay, I have knowledge on ETL testing. They will select you. Many people they do that same thing. They learn as a fresher only they learn, and then when you will put in resume, you will get the call.
Yeah, okay. But we will be having openings, right?
Definitely. 100% you will have openings.
Yeah, sure. Okay. And one more thing, actually, if he's having some 58 to 59% of criteria, is it okay?
Yeah. See, each and every company, they don't go for the 60, 70, 80 plus percentage. You have knowledge 58, 59, if you are capable. So one interview is also more than sufficient. One interview you will get in a small or medium companies where the criteria will be not there.
Yeah.
Correct. So you learn the things properly, perfectly, and get the job. One interview also, you should be capable of cracking the interview.
Sure, sure, sir. Thanks.
Hi
So,
Jay,
one
I
more
have a
thing.
question. So are the classes only theoretical, or are we getting any hands-on experience here? Like any
Practical.
open source tools we have?
See, these are the things are the open source tools, database, whatever the database we have, no, all are open source tools only. If you'll see here,
Okay,
we'll be
okay,
doing practice on this Oracle database, okay?
okay,
Everything, and we'll make sure that you learn the full syllabus, whatever the things are there. And you have to also do practice in your laptop. You have to install this, and then we'll be sharing you the software also for this, and you'll be able to do the practice of this, okay?
okay,
Based on
okay.
my document.
So I have like manual testing experience. So currently in my company, and then I have a little automation also. So uh, can I reduce this manual for some years, and can I add ETL testing in that, saying that I have experience?
How
Because
many
all other things I have.
how many years of experience you have?
In total, I have 12 years of experience. In that, like 8 years, I have full manual only, and last 4 years, I have like 20% automation and 80% manual. So
Mm.
now, can I remove that like 3 4 years, and can I add ETL in my
We'll
resume?
keep 6 to 7 years of
ETL.
ETL testing. Yeah,
Yep,
same thing. One person also did. So he was having 11 years of experience as a manual tester completely.
yep, yep, yeah.
So 7 years we put, and then he got some 28 lakhs of package.
Yeah, so my question is like, is majority of companies working on this is ETL testing? So will that background check kind of thing will go back to the whether that company using
Project
ETL
level,
test?
project level, they don't. No one will. You have PF number. You have bank account
Yeah,
details.
everything is there. Everything is
Everything is
there.
there.
Everything is fine.
Nobody.
I don't have any issue with that. Yeah.
So project level, they don't go and they don't check that, oh, you worked in this IBM and you worked on the HDFC Bank and it was like automation testing and all. They don't go that much level. Your
Okay. Okay.
company should do validation, that's all.
Okay. Yeah, that's all. I'm fine. So my main intention is, if we have hands-on only, then we can survive in the company which we are going on.
Yeah, definitely.
So this
And for
software,
you,
yes,
it
we
will
can.
be very easy to get the job in ETL testing.
Okay, okay. Yes, I'm little good in SQL as well, because my project in company we are using
Hmm.
SQL only, but here we will use a different form of SQL, right?
Yes. Each and every, like 100% syllabus will be covered as part of SQL.
Okay, okay, fine.
And it will be like medium level. And then for that, we have the scenario based questions also in the drive, as well as the complex questions also are uploaded into the interview preparation.
So like day one or day three, we can start like hands-on thing, right?
Yeah, definitely. From second day onwards, we'll be starting the school practice. Like
Because that
we'll
will
start.
give more added advantage for the person preparing for the interview and all, right?
Yes. So we'll go with the very basic, like who many people will have who don't know SQL also. So we'll teach from the scratch from A, and we'll make sure that they learn till Z.
Okay, okay. And how are the positions for like TL and all for this ETL testing?
It's good
QA
one.
lead, or it's only individual performer?
See, the thing is that it depends on you what you want to take. Whether you are working as a team lead also, you have to involve in technical.
Yes, I'm ready to work as
Mm.
individual as well as team lead. So my question is, how the
Mm.
openings will be there? Like, I have the experience. Will they give me a lead position, or
It
will they ask?
depends on company again, the project,
Okay,
how they feel that if you are comfortable with individual, what is that individual contributor, then they will assign individual contributor project only. And if you are good in managing the teams, then they will add some of the people under you and they will make you a lead.
okay, okay. Fine. Thanks.
Yeah, guys. So we supposed to discuss other point also, like the syllabus of it. So now we are 9 to, okay. So many people we have committed for 1 hour only. So these are the syllabus. No, I am planning to take one more demo class, and we'll call one of my student who got 3 offer letter. Okay, two student I'll call who got offer letter, and they will share you their experience, how they have prepared, how these are the documents, how they got help to prepare the interview for the interview, and how they were able to crack the interview. So this Thursday evening only, I'll take one more class, means like this introduction class only, and then we'll go for the real. I mean, like tomorrow also we'll have class, but we'll discuss the basic things, I mean, like 1 hour. Okay, and then the actual class will start from the Friday, but Thursday will keep one more session. Who got 3 offer letter, and one more student will get you who got one offer letter recently only within a week. Okay, so they will share you their experience of how to prepare, how this document will be useful for the interview preparation and all, and how I am going to help you, or everything they will, so that you can start your preparation immediately. Okay, this Thursday, and we'll explain you full syllabus of this one. What are the things we are going to learn in this ETL testing? I'll be explaining you on this Thursday classes. Okay, so I'll request everyone be a part of Thursday for 1 hour also, and we'll discuss. It will be very motivational session. Okay, if you'll join it, it will be very motivational, and you will get energy. Okay, you will get inside power energy, and you will be able to prepare very nicely. And who is looking for the faster preparation, you want to start from today or tomorrow, you can contact me. We'll provide you the access for the previous class recording. You can start preparation, and then you can prepare yourself within 15 days, 18 days. But this is applicable for those people only who is not working anywhere. Okay, who are free and able to give 5 to 6, 7 hours every day. For those only, I'll be providing the previous class recording. Okay, others like who is working in non-IT company or IT company as a manual tester or anything, you can attend the regular classes, because I know like it will be difficult for you to manage both the things. Okay, but you will be able to manage in a regular sessions. When we'll have classes on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it will be manageable. Okay, so guys, if you have any question, hold on, you can ask on Thursday. Tomorrow we'll have 1 hour session, and we'll start from the SQL, basic SQL. So I'll be explaining you the SQL only. Okay, basic of SQL, introduction of SQL. Okay, whatever the things are there. So I'll be explaining you full these things. I'll help you to install the software. Okay, so that you will be good. So these are the things will be there, but this will be discussed on Friday class also. So just attend tomorrow evening 1 hour. Okay, so same 8 to 9 will take. From Friday onwards, we'll have a 7:30 to 9 o'clock, 1.5 hour strictly the classes will be there. Okay. Yeah, guys, if you have any problem, any question, you can message me here. This is my number. Bisal, are you there in a call? Okay, we have another person also, Bisal. He will also help you. Many of you have contacted already to him, or contact me also. This is my number. If you want to note it down, if you're not added to WhatsApp group, message me. I'll add you to WhatsApp group. Okay.
And Jayant, is it possible to take session only Saturday, Sunday? Like my shift is evening 12 to 9, 12 to 8:30. That's why.
Evening, like daytime.
Afternoon, yeah, afternoon 12 to 8.
Yeah, in the Friday we have to DSM meeting also there.
Yeah, that's. Is it possible to only for Saturday, Sunday?
See, the problem is Saturday, Sunday, no? Like if I'll take Saturday, Sunday only, so classes will go 2 month, 2.5 month. And I'm providing the recording sessions also. The classes will be from 7:30, 7:45, I'll make it. 7:45 to 9, 9:15, like that we can make it.
Yeah, at least for Friday we can make it from 8 to 9. Friday we can take it 1 hour, and Saturday, Sunday we can take 1.5 hour session.
Yeah, that is also fine. 8 to 9:30, 9:15 will take, but strictly we'll ask people to join at 8, and then 9:15 will finish the class.
Yeah, only for Friday, and rest of the 2 days we can start on
7:30, yeah, that is fine. Okay, so take care, guys. If any question, let me know. We'll discuss. You can call me or you can message me in my phone. Okay, and we'll meet again tomorrow evening 8 to 9, and Thursday we'll have one motivational session, as well as syllabus. Whatever the syllabus we have, we'll discuss that one. Okay, so we'll meet tomorrow evening. Bye, everyone. Take care.
And fees is like installment method or at a time?
That will
Thank you,
discuss.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Jay.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
bye. Take care.
Sir, I
Thank you
was
for joining.
just need one more clarification.
Yeah, tell me.
So can you just send us the list of the companies which are hiring on ETL so that I can ask some of my references over there?
All companies, they need ETL tester.
So it
If
would
you
be
take
Deloitte also.
Deloitte, IBM itself will have 100 projects on ETL testing. A small company, medium companies, big companies, all places ETL testers. Many projects are there.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Just thank you for sharing this.
Yeah, ETL testing is very because we deal with business data. No, it's all places.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And what about if I am 35, if I get over 3-year experience, so can I shift to some abroad like Canada or something?
Yeah, definitely. Best thing. If you learn the things, do work for 1 year here in India and then shift to UK, Canada or anywhere, you'll get 50, 60, 70 lakhs.
So is this job opening, is it only restricted to engineering graduates or BCom can also do?
BCom, BA, MCA, BCA, whatever you are.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, how will we get job from the recruiter? Like I am having software automation testing experience. So mostly I got a calls regarding the like same domain in which I am working on. So like there was some Naukri session you will take on to get a calls from the Naukri or anything like that.
Until unless you will not get job, will be behind you. All support will be provided. And whatever the experience you have, automation testing or whatever it may be, will replace those experience with the ETL testing.
Okay.
And based on that, we'll get the calls.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Don't worry. We have full, setup for everything.
Yes, sir. Sir,
And sir,
those students who got offer letter are experienced or freshers, sir?
See, all are, we are getting with the gap only.
Okay, sir.
With the experienced docs, they are getting the job. And some people will come like manual testing or automation testing or development. They are not able to survive. Those people are also coming. They are also getting job in ETL testing only. Okay. Okay, guys. We'll meet on tomorrow. Okay. Bye, everyone. Take care.
Yeah, thanks.